Okay, we're gonna get started making the parachute. So you need a plastic bag. We can use half of the plastic bag for one parachute, and then we can save the other half for another parachute. Here's what I'm gonna do. Take scissors, cut the bag open so we can cut your parachute out of half of the bag. So I'm cutting down both sides right now so I can lay this open. What I'm going to do now is take my pattern. It says template on it for template. It's really a stencil of the shape that we're gonna need. So place that in the middle, and we're gonna take a Sharpie and trace this so we can cut it out. Remove the stencil. I'm going to use scissors now to cut this out. It's easy to get this all messed up, get a bunch of jaggedy edges. Just want nice straight sides on it. So take your time, cut it right. Okay, get that stuff out of the way. Here's my parachute. What we're gonna do now is we want to tie different strings in each corner. But first, we're gonna reinforce the corners with some masking tape. So what I'm gonna do, take small, about 1-inch pieces of masking tape. I'm gonna tape half of the tape in each corner on the top of the parachute, and then I'm gonna wrap the rest of it around the corner to the back side of my parachute, overlapping the tape. We're basically doubling up the tape. It overlaps itself. Nothing too fancy. I'm gonna do that all 6 times. Now with all of that done, I need to put a hole in the center of each piece of tape. So I have this nice hole puncher. We can use that. I can show you a couple different methods for this. We just need one hole in each corner, and it's in the center of the tape. So the tape is just used to reinforce that, and we're gonna tie something through that then. We're gonna tie your shroud lines through it. Here's another method. If you wanted to fold this over, you could bend the tape in half. You take your scissors and you just cut like a little V into this. Okay, removing a little triangular piece, and when I open it up, now I have a hole. Okay, now I have a hole in each one of my pieces of tape. Now I need strings to actually be able to go through there. So we want this spool of shroud line. This will be in your blue bin. I need 3 of these lines, and they each need to be 24 inches long. A good trick is if you take a 12-inch ruler, you put the end of the string at the end of the ruler and put your thumb over it. Take the string down. I'm gonna go around from the front of the ruler around to the back side of the ruler, double wrapping this back to where I started. So that's 12 inches this way, then 12 inches back. So that's 24 inches, and cut it. There's 1 shroud line. I need 3 of these, so I'm gonna repeat this 2 more times. Back to the beginning. Cut it 1 more time. Okay. Here's our 3 shroud lines. Put that away. At this point in time, before we tie our shroud lines in, you wanna go ahead and you wanna decorate your parachute. You can use all the different Sharpies that I have, but we want to go ahead and we want to put some sort of decoration on here with the time that you have.